Aha! Houston, we have a problem. Quite a common problem. You can get leaks and drips coming from around this connection, particularly if it's been in use for a few years, and we've got a problem here. Let's have a little investigate and see what's causing it. There we are. So pull that down and that releases, and then we need to have a little investigate inside here to see what's causing the problem. There can be a number of causes for that problem. Sometimes one of these grippers has got bent and allows water to escape. They all seem to be in the right position, so let's there we are. We've got a split in the hose there, so that was allowing the water to escape. So let's get the scissors on that and cut about an inch, I would say a couple of centimeters off the end of the hose there, because sometimes the end of the hose starts to get a bit kind of worn and soft, which can cause problems. Let's give ourselves a nice clean cut back here where the pipe is still nice and firm. Right, there we are. Trying to do this one-handed as I film with the other hand. So we've cut the end of the hose pipe there, so it's nice and firm, and it'll grip basically that pipe has got to grip that that inner circle there, so the pipe slides over there, and as we tighten the little kind of nut back on here, that forces these little grippers to squeeze in all the way around and hold the pipe in place. So let's get this onto here, see if I can do it one-handed. There you go. I give it a little twist as I'm pushing it on to make sure that all those grippers are in the right position. None of them are bent or twisted. None of them got caught up on the pipe. And then force it right in so that you get as good a connection so that the hose pipe goes right to its full limit. And then here goes with the screw nut there that kind of goes on there. Right, let's see. I had to just give that a bit more of a tighten. You needed two hands to do that. Okay, let's see if it's worked. There you go. That's what we want. There's a little bit of water coming out the tap there, which, you know, that's beyond me. That's a plumber's job. But that connection is sound. Good job.